In this video, I'm going to explain how to change some settings to see more information on your estimate. Here we see I'm in an estimate and I have input some materials. Now what I'm focusing on specifically are the categories at the top, or the header at the top. See, we have description, quantity, unit price, unit of measure. Description, it shows some items here. See, it shows EMT 1-inch and connectors and couplings. And down here is an assembly that I put in a quantity of, and it shows switch 20 amp 1-pole spec 1 or specification grade. It shows a plate, a ground screw, and so on. Now what's invisible here is the actual manufacturer of the products listed, the UPC code and catalog number. Now there's other things that you can make visible, but I'm going to show you how to make those visible. So we're going to go to the home page. So go up here to the home page. And go down here and click on User Profile Preferences down here on the right. User Profile Preferences. And then under Takeoff on the right over here, click on Takeoff Columns. Now, everything in here is defaulted in, which means not visible, and a Y means visible. So here's the items I explained, the UPC code, the manufacturer, the catalog number. Now, truck item is a separate item. I'm not even going to talk about that right now. It's something that really never finished programming. Okay, so I'm not going to activate that or make that visible. But see, you can do it in your estimate, in your assemblies in the estimate, your purchase orders, and T&M billing. Okay, so again, I'm just going to make them visible. These three items visible in the estimate. So I go up to the top right, click Edit. And then I'll just check these little boxes right here. Okay, check the boxes that you want to be visible all the way across here. Again, I'm just working on the estimate, and click Save. Okay, now when I go back to the estimate, I'll show you how now the columns for UPC, manufacturer, and catalog number are there, and I'll explain the advantage. Okay, so now I'm back at the same estimate. Notice at the top where now the UPC code is here, the column is here, the manufacturer and catalog number. Now, a lot of items that are just manual only or not real products don't show a manufacturer. But let me show you an instance when it might be important for you to know that. Let's say that you input, say, a 20 amp switch, 1-pole specification here, okay? Now, what's important or what's cool about making these visible is then if you need to, you can go copy this and Google exactly what that product is, okay? If you don't know what a product is, it shows the manufacturer and the catalog number there, okay? I'll scroll down some more. Same deal down here. Looks like I input a 3-way spec 1 switch, so that's listed down here again, and you could right here, it's 11 86001, so you could know to Google that specific product to know specifically what Red Rhino or what you're inputting in Red Rhino. Now, I'm used to flying without these guys showing, and for me, I like seeing less information. So I make or keep these invisible because I don't need them. Okay, so hope that helps. That's how to make items visible in your estimate, or invisible if you need.